This nut's still in place, helps me just hold this bracket right here so it can sit. The next piece you're going to put up is the 4-inch pipe that goes to the Y branch. I'll show you what that looks like. But you're just going to sleeve it onto this pipe and work our way down. And we're just going to add piece after piece after piece down the line. Now what you can do is potentially hang the back box, but we'll do that in just a second. So get this top piece in, get the middle piece in where it goes from the 4-inch pipe to the Y 2-inch pipes. All right, so let me get you caught up here. I've moved ahead a little bit just because some of this is easier to hang all in place, and because some of the pieces won't hang by themselves. So start at that top piece that I mentioned. Make sure that you have this slip sleeve on for the bracket. You then slip on the Y section here, which actually ends short of your V-brace, right? So here's your V-brace. But what you can do is you can slide on the next pipes. Now, if you notice that they're flat side down, they're just resting on the V-brace, which I've put back into place to help hold it on. So I slipped on one side, I slipped on the other, and then put the V-brace in place. And now all the upper pipes will hold themselves in place. Now, fitment obviously is an issue. You know, we don't have any clearances yet or anything like that set, but once we get everything hung, we'll work out all of the clearances to make sure that nothing touches. Clearance right here is pretty tight. But we'll make sure that we'll twist the pipe. You can see the pipe will twist, and we'll make sure we got good clearance. We'll get good clearance over the top of the crossbody brace as well. Okay, so keep working your way down. Now, the next thing I would recommend is actually go ahead and hang the back box. So once you hang that back box in place, you can take the next pipes and sleeve them onto the back box, and you'll have those bell housings up here as you slot the pipes over the top of these braces. Okay, so get the back box hung with those 13 millimeter nuts here on both sides. So go ahead and get those up and in, and then we'll walk through the rest.